Hi everyone. Uh, this is the first lesson of fifth standard mathematics. Okay. The first lesson is geometry. So, what are the objectives here? Able to get the feel of two-dimensional perspective while observing drawings of three-dimensional objects. Okay. We can identify 2D, 3D objects in our day-to-day life. Fine. Any shape that can be laid on a flat surface is a 2D shape. So, this one is the definition of 2D shape. Examples are slate, CD, traffic signal, chessboard. Okay. 3D shapes are solid objects that have three dimensions, namely length, breadth or width, and height. Okay. Examples: dice. Okay. Football, volleyball, TV. Okay. Cube. This one is a cube. It has six faces. Okay. One, two, three. Sorry. One, two, three, four. Top one, bottom one. Okay, total six faces. All sides are equal in a cube, that is length, breadth, height, all are equal. It has 8 vertices and 12 edges. Vertices 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are vertices, uh, and the edges are 12. Okay, these are edges 1, 2, 3, right? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fine. Next one is cuboid. It is a 3D shape. Okay. It has same six faces similar to your cube. Opposite side, the opposite sides are equal. Okay. Unlike cube, for a cuboid, opposite sides are equal. It also has 8 vertices and 12 edges. You can count on your own. Fine. Next one is cylinder. It is a 3D shape. Two bases lie in upper and lower surface in cylinder. Okay, upper and lower surfaces, there are two bases. Height is the distance between the bases. This is one base, this is one another base, and this one is the height. Distance between the bases, that is the height. Okay, distance between the bases. Next one is a sphere. Okay, see the shapes. Okay, a round shape, right? Even our globe is in spherical shape. It is a 3D shape. It has properties. These are the properties. It has one surface. All points on the surface are at the same distance from the center. Okay, this is the center, and the surface points are at the same distance from the center. Okay, and since it is round, it has no vertices and edges. Fine. Next one is cone. See, these are the conical structures. Okay, this is radius. Bottom is circular, that is, this is radius, this one is height. Okay, and this is slant height. This is 3D shape. Base of a cone is circular. The distance from the top of the cone to the center of the base is called height. Top to center. Okay, the distance from the apex to any point lying on the circumference of the base is called slant height. Okay, so this to any point, okay, on the circumference of the base is called slant height. The height and slant height are not equal, surely not equal. So this is one activity for you. You have to write the 3D shapes lying around you. Okay, fine. And you need to indicate the sides and corners. Okay, what will you observe if you look at this object from the front? If you see from the front, you will get this one, right? One big rectangle, inside there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 small rectangles. Okay, this one is correct. Okay, now what will you observe if you look at this point from the sideways like this one or this one? Huh? Come on, tell me. Yeah, make it quick, make it quick. Not rectangle, man. What is that then? Hmm? This or this? No, you're wrong. Not this one. This one is correct. Okay, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, if you look at from here, you will get this, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 boxes. That will be your answer. And from where you are looking, it depends on from where you are looking. Okay. Match the following. Okay. Now we got our regular exercise. Okay, exercise 1A. Now we need to match. This is what? Right, sphere. Okay, this is what? Cylinder. Okay, this is what? Cube. This is what? Not VLC player, man. This is cone. Right, this is cuboid. Remaining is cuboid only, right? Cube is covered by 6 squares. Cube is covered by 6 squares. That is right. 1, 2, 3. At the back one, top and the bottom. Yeah, 6 squares. This is true. So we need to write true. Write true or false. Better better to write T instead of true, right? Okay. Still it is higher. Fine. This is true. Okay. The height and slant height of the cone are equal. Who told you? False. The cuboid has 7 vertices. The vertices for cube and cuboid are equal. That is 8, right? How come he got 7? You shouldn't ask like that. You have to write either true or false. Fine. Two bases lie in upper and lower surface of a cylinder. That is true. Okay. That is true. Sphere is a 3D shape. True. Be able to export rotations of similar 2D shapes intuitively. Draw two vertical lines in a white paper. Okay. By paper folding method, draw a circle with radius 6 cm in a shot. Then cut the circle from the shot. Fold it into 4 equal parts and spread again. Draw or paste your 4 pictures on the circle as shown in figure. Okay, whenever you get free time, follow all these steps and observe whether you are observing 3D shapes or not. Okay, think it. Is there any change to the wings of the ventilator fan after rotating 1/4 turn and half turn? Okay, is there any change to the wings of the ventilator fan? This wing came here and this wing came here, except that there is no change, right? Let's see the rotation of the square. 1/4 turn half turn. Exercise 1b 1.1b. Among the following shapes, find out which one would look the same after 1/4 turn. Put a tick mark. This will not look like same. This is symmetrical object. It looks same. Okay. This will not be same. This will be same. This will not be same. 1/4 turn. Yeah, this will be same. 90 degrees, right? This will not be same. This also will not be same. Among the following letters, find out which one would look the same after off turn. After off turn. Off turn means 1/4. No, 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 no. Off turn. Tricky, tricky. O would look same. Okay, that is for sure. B. Mm-hmm. J. Mm-hmm. I would look same. Okay. S also would look same. Right. D no. J also no. N also no. Find the numbers which look same on a off turn. 1 no. 2 no no. 3 0 would look same. 8 also would look same. Okay. Not full rotation, half rotation. Right. Right. N also would look same to the right. Yeah, even for half rotation N would look same. Right. Others will not look same. How the following numbers are changed after off turn? 8 will remain 8. Okay. 1. See, if there is a tick mark here, it won't look same. If you remove this tick mark, yeah, 1 also would look same. Right. Okay. After off turn also, first number is 5 eights only. It won't change any. No. There will not be any change. Right. Next one also same. Next one also same. Prepare a gallery of 5 pictures after 1/4 and off turns and show it to your teacher. From the gallery, prepare a table that which looks the same after 1/4 and half of the rotation. Okay. Look at the following shapes. Draw that how will it be changed after 1/3 and 1/6 of a turn. Okay, that you need to do. See, 1/3 means 360 by 3. How much? 120-degree rotation. Okay. 1/6 means 60-degree rotation. Okay, that you need to remember. This is half turn means 180-degree rotation. Okay, 180-degree, not 90, 180. Okay. Fine. 180. Is it tricky? This one. 180 degrees rotate, rotate. Come on, come. 90. This is 45. This will come here. This will come here. 190, 90, 180. Okay. This also would look same after 180-degree rotation. And this one, no, this won't look same. Find the only English alphabet which will not change its shape after 1/4 of 1/3 1/6 a turn rotation. That means 1/4 means 45 degree, half means 1/4 means 90 degree, half means 180 degree, 1/3 means 120 degree, 1/6 means 60 degree. What is that alphabet letter? O only. Okay, how much angle you rotate, it will still look like O only. Okay. Let me write it. Whoa. Whoa, you have to say whoa. Is it? Yes, it is. Able to explore reflections of familiar 2D shapes intuitively. While standing in front of a mirror, when you have one, see your image. Observe your image in the mirror when moving back and coming front to the mirror again. What do you infer? Your image in the mirror is bigger or smaller in smaller or same size. Okay, when you are going back, coming front. When you are coming front, it looks bigger. When you are going back, it looks smaller. What is a big deal? When you go back, your image is moving backwards or forward. When you go back, it will go backwards only, right? The distance between you and the mirror and the distance between you and your image is equal or unequal. Distance between you and mirror and the distance between you and your image equal, right? When you come forward to the mirror, your image is moving forward. When you raise your right hand, image in the mirror looks like left hand. When you raise your left hand, image in the mirror looks like right hand. Look at this shape. Which image shows a reflection? Answer the answer given below. Tick the answer given below. Right. Which one? Same shape. It will not look like same shape, right? Then how will it look like? It seems B. Okay. Do it yourself. Take a mirror, draw a line in the white paper by using any pencil and place it before the mirror. Take a paper, draw D and put it in front of the mirror. Observe the image of alphabet D in the mirror. If we consider alphabet D as an object, D is the image. This event is called reflection. Now you remove the mirror. The line drawn by pencil is called as the reflection axis. Okay. The object and the image in the mirror are equal in size, right? The object and image are at equal distance from the reflection axis. If the direction of the object is left to the right, direction of the object from left to the right, right. Then the direction of the image in the mirror will be from right to left, left to the right. This will be right to left. Oh, right. Draw some of your favorite shapes and draw its reflection images on chart and show it to your teacher. Let's enjoy it. Take a paper in the shape of a rectangle and fold it into two equal parts. Drop a thread in the ink pot and drag it into the folded sheet. Now open and see the folded sheet. What do you see? Are the designs on both sides of the folded paper or look like? Observe the changes of designs and express your ideas. Results in teacher. Do you do whenever you get free time, leisure time? Able to explore symmetry in familiar 3D shapes like in alphabets intuitively. For example, if we cut an apple into two equal halves, we observe that two parts are in symmetry. Right. Symmetry is an important geometrical concept commonly seen in nature and is used in every field of our life. Artists, manufacturers, designers, architects, and others make use of the idea of the symmetry. Symmetry refers to the exact match in shape and size between the two halves of an object. When we fold a picture into two halves and if both halves match exactly, then we say that the picture is symmetrical. Right. Okay. Line of symmetry. When a line divides a given figure into two equal halves and it matches exactly, then we say that the figure is symmetrical about the line. This line is called line of symmetry or axis of symmetry. This is the line of symmetry for the apple. this is for sun, this is for butterfly. 4 lines of symmetry. We can divide square in 4 ways symmetrically. Okay, 2 lines of symmetry. We can divide rectangle in 2 ways symmetrically. So see, these two are the lines. Don't ask me where are those lines. List out 2 symmetrical objects that you know. Tick this picture which is symmetrical. Tick the picture which is symmetrical. This one is symmetrical, right? Symmetrical, metrical, metrocal, delete, metrical, delete. If you draw a line like this is also symmetrical then. Okay, it depends on where you are drawing line. Complete the other half to make the given figure symmetric. Okay, that you do. Draw the lines of symmetry for the following figures. That also you do, man. You have to draw the lines of symmetry. Can we divide the irregular solid symmetrically? If no, why? Write the English alphabets that can't be divided symmetrically. M is symmetrical, N is symmetrical, I is symmetrical, O is also symmetrical. Yeah, P is not symmetrical. Okay. Write the English alphabets which are divided symmetrically. There are so many. Just now I told you some of them. Circle has many lines of symmetry. Is it true? Why? Circle has many lines of symmetry. Why? Because from the center point to any outer line. Sorry, any point on the periphery that gives you radius, right? So that is the reason why it got many lines of symmetry. Whatever the line you take which crosses from the center, okay, from one point on the perimeter to the other point, that will be nothing but diameter, right? So that becomes the axis of symmetry. So you can draw as many diameters as possible in a circle. That's why it has multiple lines of symmetry. Oh, I gave a long answer to a short question, right? Find the 3 numbers between 1 and 9 that can be divided symmetrically. Three numbers you want? Okay. 3. 3 can be divided symmetrically. Okay. Then not 5, 6, no 6, not 7 also. 8. 8 can be divided symmetrically. Okay. 2 cannot be divided symmetrically. Okay. 3 can be divided. 4 no, 4 cannot be divided. 5 like this, no symmetry possible for 5. 6 also not symmetrical figure. 8 is symmetrical. I found only 2, 3 and 8. Okay. Find 2 numbers between 1 and 9 with 2 lines of symmetry. Yes, 8 has 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. Either you go from top to bottom or from left to right. Anyway you cut it, it becomes symmetrical. 8 has that chance. One more number you want. 3 is not horizontally symmetrical. It is only horizontally symmetrical. It is not vertically symmetrical. So there is a problem with 3. Then what? between 1 and 9. Maybe he is telling about 1. Okay, 1 if you draw without that line, then it is also symmetrical in both ways. Okay, horizontally and vertically. Yeah, where we went? No, we are here only. Taj Mahal in Agra is symmetrical monument. Wow, what a fact, what a fact. Right, man, if you draw a line like this, it is symmetrical. Two halves are equal. Okay, write down 26 alphabets in a chart. Okay, first by a chart. Like that we have to proceed, right? Draw the lines of symmetry for the letters. That you do. Circle the remaining letters that are not symmetrical. Oh, lot of exercise for you. Able to make the shapes of cubes, cylinders, cones using nets especially designed for this purpose. Nets of cuboid. Open out a matchbox and lay out on the white paper. Draw the base sides of the matchbox. Teacher. Oh, it is a short story. Okay. Teacher is asking. Teacher means somewhat authoritative, right? Do you see how many sides are there in the matchbox? That is how teacher pronounce. Student. Yes, sir. There are 6 sides. Okay. Student usually answer for he answers in a very smooth way, polite way, and also short. Okay, short and sweet. Now, teacher, you are right. Can you assemble or create it after December? Student, yes, sir. Teacher, good. The nut is a two-dimensional shape and always forms a three-dimensional shape. Nut is a two-dimensional shape and it always forms three-dimensional shape. A nut is a two-dimensional figure which can be folded to form a three-dimensional figure. Okay. Oh, example is matchbox. If you remove all the sides, it is 2D figure only. If you fold them, they will appear like 3 dimensions. Find out which of these can be made into a box by folding along the dotted lines. Put a tick mark for the correct option. Which can chicken, chuku, chick. Right. So that is how I will check. First one passed the test. Oh, delete man. It is not I asked for. I need to put a tick mark here. Okay. Now, chick. No, that means no. This is wrong only. Okay, curved wrong. This one, after you fold here, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Okay, simply wrong. Now, here you are folding. Why? There also you are folding. Why again? This also will not work. Okay, net of a cube. Fold squares along the dotted lines. Okay, hence 6 equal squares from the net of a cube. Okay, net of a cylinder. Consider rectangle and see, if you fold like this, you eventually what you will get is you will get a square. Okay, not square, cube, sorry, cube. You can try on your own, you will get it. Consider rectangle and two equal circles like this net thus formed is a cylinder. Join the two edges of a rectangle breadthwise in such a way that the length of the rectangle forms the boundary of the one circle at the top and the other circle at the bottom. Okay, if you fold it like this, you will get a cylinder. That is what he is saying. Join the two edges of a rectangle widthwise in such a way that the length of the rectangle forms the boundary of one circle at the top and the other circle at the bottom. So this is the meaning. Okay, fold like this, you will get a cylinder. The length of the rectangle forms the boundary of the circle. Yes, length forms the boundary. I agree. I agree. Both of them are equal in length. What? Both of them are equal? Okay, both boundaries are equal. Net of a cone. Hmm. Look at the figure. Join both the portion of the circle in such a way that the arc of the circle falls on the boundary of the circle attached at the bottom. Okay. The length of the arc forms the boundary of the circle. Both of them are equal in length. The length of the arc forms the boundary of the circle. Both of them are equal in length. Activity. Okay, if you fold this one, you will get this. This one we already saw, right? If you fold this one, you will get this. What is this then? Let me try this one. Oh, cone also we have seen. If you fold this one, you will get this. Okay. You need this. Huh? That is not highlighted. Okay, no problem. If you fold this one, what you will get? Mm-hmm. Let me try. Let me check first. Hmm. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, it came. Hmm. Folding this way or that way? On. Okay, top only. Okay. Mm-hmm. 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 How many sides are there? One, two, three, five. Five sides only. Cube is still balanced. Okay. Bottom is this. Okay. Then fold like this. Okay. These two will come. Okay. And then this becomes one side. That becomes another side. Okay. And this becomes top one. All six only. Yeah, six only. So this is cube. This it got passed and we got the shapes. Okay. Now rectangle. There is no fold corresponding to rectangle here. So this one we won't get. Two dimensions rectangle. Okay. Introduction of and